All right, welcome to Save Jackson, also known as Save JXN. This is Clay Edwards, and today I wanted to do a quick video, and this isn't even a video, this is just a bunch of pictures thrown together, there's no actual video, of the Raymond Castle, also known as McGEE'S Castle. This is a place of local legend and folklore. It was owned by Dale McGee, who was a very interesting man. This house started out, or this castle, should I say, started out as an A-frame house in the 1970s and slowly got turned into a castle over about 30 years or so. Dale laid every brick and stone himself, built the house or the castle by himself. Very unique, very cool. Lots of urban legends about what was going on out there, everything from gun running to drugs and everything else. Again, I say urban legend. None of it was ever proven to be true. But hey, you know, who lets a little bit of truth get in the way of a good story, right? So for years, this thing was ran as a bed and breakfast, and then later on a wedding venue, special event venue. There was lots of proms and homecoming dances and Christmas parties and all that stuff out there. But what it's most known for is the Christmas decorations. Unfortunately, I don't have any photos of them. I couldn't find any online anywhere. But the whole thing, the whole drawbridge, the property, the driveway, everything was lined in Christmas lights, hundreds of thousands of Christmas lights, probably millions. Unfortunately, Mr. Dale died around 2006, 2007, and the building went up for sale. It was originally listed for about $1 million. Well, it was purchased, not sure what the final purchase price was, by a man named Butch. Butch went to prison for whatever reason. And the property sat there abandoned, and it went back up for sale for $399,999. So it sat empty for a while. I actually went out there and looked at buying some of the equipment out of there for a nightclub at the time, and it was just a bit dated. So we passed on it, but I had a chance to take a tour of the place, and it was cool. Very dated. There was a bathroom upstairs that looked like something Elvis would have used. A lot of gold. But anyway, look, that's today's video. You can Google the Castle of Raymond or the McGee Castle. Tons of information, tons of video there. Be sure to check us out online at Save JXN. Thank you guys, and please hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons.